Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase lead generation with HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by understanding your target audience. Define your ideal customer persona using HubSpot's persona tool.
Gather demographic information, pain points, and preferences.
Set clear lead generation goals that align with your business objectives. Navigate to HubSpot's dashboard and select Marketing. Choose Lead Capture from the menu options. Create engaging landing pages with compelling calls to action. Utilize HubSpot's templates to streamline the design process.
Ensure your landing pages are optimized for mobile devices.
Integrate lead capture forms that are simple and user-friendly. Consider using pop-ups or slide-ins for additional lead capture opportunities. Connect your social media accounts to facilitate lead generation. Share valuable content that attracts your audience's attention. Use HubSpot's blogging platform to publish relevant articles. Incorporate SEO best practices to enhance visibility.
Leverage email marketing to nurture leads through targeted campaigns.
Segment your email list for personalized content delivery. Monitor the performance of your email campaigns through HubSpot Analytics. Utilize HubSpot's CRM to track interactions and engagement with leads. Automate follow-ups with workflows to streamline communication.
Incorporate lead scoring to prioritize high-value leads effectively. Conduct A/B testing on landing pages and emails to optimize conversion rates.
Review and analyze your lead generation metrics regularly.
Make adjustments based on performance data to improve results. Engage with leads through webinars or live events for deeper connections.
Utilize HubSpot's reporting tools to gain insights into your lead generation process.
Continuously refine your strategies based on market trends and feedback. With dedication and the right tools, you can significantly boost your lead generation efforts with HubSpot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.